Okay, so our next task is sign into Windows as Entra user. So for that, I'll just need to go to workstation 1. Earlier we signed out of this machine, as you can see. Now I'll go to other user, click on this, and the password will be this one, I believe. So a new profile should be created. Yes, it is creating. Wait for some time for the profile creation. It will take a while. Meanwhile, I'll just go to server 1 if there's any other activity that I need to do. So I believe there's nothing left to be done here. Everything is done. So we have one more task, that is removal of the remove a Windows device from Entra. Okay. Okay, so now we are inside our workstation 1. It's asking for Windows Hello setup. Click on OK. Let's keep your account secure. Next. Here I'll need to select, I want to set up a different method. That is via the SMS, I believe, or the phone number. Okay. Set up a different way to sign in. So this is how it will go. And the sign in method will be phone, not the authenticator. And the number, I'll need to add the number here. So I'll enter my phone number. Screen, I'll set up this pin. It will take a while. Registering the device. The new pin will be set. So this is about the task 4 activity is now completed. So next activity we'll do in our next video.